I am going to show you this. So here is, usually you're talking about clothes. That's the most often times, because you've got different designs with different sizes. It's an easy thing to demonstrate with. So here's some hippie yoga pants, which are fantastic. And you can see lots of different sizes, lots of different colors, etc., etc., etc. And you want to keep them all on the same listing, just like this person has done, because you want all of the reviews to stay in the one place. You definitely want that. You want all of the sales to stay in the one place. You want all of the SEO link juice to stay in the one place. And you want things like, let's just scroll down, see what they've got here. So all of these questions being answered, you want all of that in the one place too. So much, much better to set up what's called a parent-child relationship, a parent-child relationship. And if I just hit refresh, this is the parent listing that you're looking at, and then all of these underneath are childs. That's how Amazon puts it together, okay? And so your parent usually is going to be your most popular item in your most design with your most popular size. That's how you normally have your parent, and then all your other less popular ones become the child of the parent, if that makes sense. So you definitely want to keep it all together. Amazon makes it really easy to do. It's just done from Seller Central. Super, super easy. Hope that helps. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.